All right, Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. At the 5-minute mark, we're going to go over a live trade that we took in the room. It's my birthday today, March 10th, 2011. I'm in a generous mood. I want to show you the flavor of our trading strategy and how much money. This trade made a ton of money, but I'm going to show one contract on it. Live account, really making money, and anyway, so I'm not hiding, and you can get contact with me. We're accredited now with the BBB here. With the we're investing in our infrastructure of our business. You can check us out here at the BBB. We're just now A- rating. We just started with this, and we're going with authorized.net, and along with PayPal, we're investing. Excuse me. In our infrastructure, we actually have signed a contract with Infusionsoft.com. So really, what that means to you is that we are working on our members area. We're working into our, we're just very excited about where we're going, and we look forward to you guys taking up on us on the early bird. Now, by the way, to get to our early bird list, TCB crude oil method, press to get started. You guys are probably already on this page right now as I'm talking about it. But if you come on our home page at Knight Capital Management, come down here at TCB crude oil, press that, press get started, and then follow the directions. Now, when we finally move over to Infusionsoft, we'll change directions. We'll let everyone know, but we're not going to lose you that moving over from the early bird list. Our next class is coming out the first week of May. First week of May 2011, we're going to have our next class starting. So get on our early bird list. We're closing in on that 45-day mark once again. Now we got at the 5-minute mark, we're going to go over a live trade. So let me go ahead and move forward with it. I talked about the BBB. We're members of the Westmoreland Chamber of Commerce. I've been a long time member here at the Westmoreland Chamber of Commerce. I'm closing in on 10 years with them. I'm not hiding. You can find me anywhere. Here's my contact information. We are on social networks here. Facebook, Blogger, YouTube, Twitter. I'm not hiding. You know my phone number, whatever. So get in contact with me if you have any. If you want to learn some stuff, or you're just trying to learn a little bit more about me, we can set up time, you and I, to talk. Let's talk about the where we started, where we're going to, and where we are now, and whatever. So January 11th, we start at 5,066. We end the month of January at 5,946. The month of February, a little bit of a tougher month, but we still end up 624.5 up. At 6,570.5. Now, we did in this particular month take on the challenge of have a couple losing days and then recover from it. From our peak to our valley was a $2,000 swing. We wanted to show how you can recover from a loss even if you're being stupid. So we had a couple stupid trading days, and then we used the TCB trading method, and we made all that money back, and we finished positive on the month, about a $1,500 swing or so forth, right around that area. So lots of fun. Don't want to do it again, but it's always lots of fun to demonstrate the power of this trading strategy. I want to move on. I want to talk about the trading log. Up to this end of the month of February, we have 55 trades. Our graph. Here's our graph. Up here against our high. Here's our peak high right now. Here's our peak, here's our valley that I was talking about right in here. So we've had a couple valleys along the way. Nothing's straight up in this business. I mean, so you just consistently keep on moving up, and you're going to have these little swings. You can see this is the account equity on this side. Here's the risk that we're taking per contract, less than 1,000. Here's our biggest win right there, and some nice wins. Here's some of our losses taken into the 1-hour contract, most of them falling in this area. Let's take a look at the statistics. Yes, statistics here. 52.73%. This is a little lower than I want it, so we'll keep on working, trying to get this above the 60 mark. But you can see even a 50% mark, 29 wins, 26 losses. We are up $1,504.50 on a $5,000 account. Right now, reward 29.7. Profit factor a little lower than I wanted at 1.33, and payout ratio and so forth. Well, you can just pause this and take a look at this at your heart's content. A drawdown there, $1,484. There's our drawdown that we came in to recover from. I wanted to show that. What else here? Let's take a look at The long-term modified plan, we're at the 7,000 mark, which will be demonstrated in our video. We were sitting at 66 and change. We make a nice little $450 profit today, and less my $6 commission cost. We're at $444. So I turned 44 today. I make $444. Amen, brother. Have a great one. Watch our video of our live trading coming up right now. Last thing I'd like to cover though is just show you the graph here real quickly. Here's your risk graph as you move into it. Here's your equity graph coming up here. So obviously you have, as this comes down, your contract size and your count size is growing, and your risk is your risk is coming down here eventually to reach that 2% threshold. At the beginning of your trading career, you got to take a little bit more risk, but you make a lot more money. So let's go ahead and watch the live trading now. So we're waiting for the 935 here. The markets are all over the place at this point. It looks like we failed at the 50 bar MA. Let's take a quick look here at our 5-minute chart, see if we got anything that's in our way today. Five minutes at a downtrend. 15-minute bars way up here at 104.59. Not really in the way right now. It's going to have to negotiate the red line before it can do anything at this point. 60-minute. Bounce off the 60-minute line right there, huh? 102.40. Put that in. That's kicked in there. Get rid of this line. I guess that's where it was yesterday when we were trading. Dailies are way out of the way right now. Looks like we bust that one trend line that we had in the charts for yesterday or the day before. See a trend right in through here. We're underneath that. So looking at a short entry here underneath this trend, so we haven't been able to establish that, and we won't worry about the other side of this for now. So let's take a look at, see where we are on a 5-minute. We have a short side entry right now to come in at 95. So we have a short entry at 102.95. Looks like we got about 60 ticks to target today. So we'll start with a 2R target to the 95. Actually, we have the room to run the whole thing, but coming off 30 ticks from the low would be 33. So 33 and 95. 95 minus 60 brings you in at 35. So we'll look to come out of the trade at 35 today. We're in. We're in like Flynn. Let's see if it's got any power to move on down here. So we're looking for 1R target would be 30. 95 less 30 is 65. And then we have 35 underneath that. Might want to negotiate the middle of this here. 65 and 35. That would be 65 and what's half of that? 30 plus 45 ticks. Brings in it at 102.50, so we'll run with a target of 102.50 here, because we have that 60 bar MA in the way at 102.40. And I'm going to go ahead and get to break even on this trade right now. So we've already run really close to the 1 hour target at 67. So I want to go ahead and make sure that my birthday, I'm not taking a loser today. $102.50 is what I'm hunting for on the way down. Looking for it to get through 102.65, get to 102.50. I'm going to go ahead and lock up my mouth. Cool. I'm about done. Done! Woo-hoo-hoo! Hello! Baby needs a new pair of shoes, and that was too easy. That was too easy. That was too easy. I just kid. All right then. $450 into the account. Less $6. Puts me at 444 up on the day. By the way, I start the day at 66.90. 0.5. Woohoo! I'm up over 7,000 and I'm done for the week. 7,000. Unless tomorrow is like a big day. We'll just play it by ear. I'll probably just go into the weekend with this gain. That's what my plan was. Hit 7,000 and then trade for the next week. You're right. That was a great birthday present, man. The market's rewarded me today, Pat. David gets the cake. Hopefully someone else caught that with me. There was plenty of cake to go around. Happy birthday to me, man. Happy birthday to everybody. That was a fun one. Those are the fun ones that you're done. Oh, that's well, all right, 66.90 up over 7,000 in my account. So I'll most likely be in simulator tomorrow practicing 2 contracts. Original 2-hour target's 102.30. Expecting a bounce at the 40 mark. Now it's through 30. Bam, done. 2-hour out. 2-hour is out at 35, excuse me. That's a good all-out target except for your rabbit now. The only thing you should have on at this point